Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to create marquee animations in Wix Studio. My name is Ashok, I'm a Webflow and Wix Studio certified expert at Wix Designs. I specialize in creating high quality website templates that you can use in your businesses. Okay, so now I'm in my Wix Studio project. To add a marquee animation, just click here on this add element section, and in the text section, here you see this text marquee. Right here you can have only text or the text with the icon that you can see here. Let's use this one, the first one. I'll just drag and drop here on my canvas, and I will just make few changes. I'll make it 100% from this edge to this edge, from left to right edge 100%, right? And when I preview it, I can have like my marquee working. Just give it a moment. Now as you can see, I have my marquee continuously working here, and let's customize it. How you can customize it, and let's say change text. You have the text here. So right now you see we don't have any icon or anything here, but here I'll show you what you can do here. So let's say shop now, just add shop now, right? Shop now, or let's say sale is going on right now, or let's call it like Christmas sale, right? 10% off. Let's just write sale 10% off. That's it, right? Let's write this and just close that. Here you don't have any other changes, but if you want this text to be coming from the CMS, you can connect with the CMS also. So here on your right hand side style panel, inside that you have scale properties. Properties like enable means it will scale automatically for the devices you increase or decrease the width of your browser. Then you have text here, and let's use this one. And do we have any color? Yes, we have any color. We have this color. Let's use this color here, and I will change few more things. And then we have styles. If you want to add, let's say bold, or any styles that you want to add to these items, you can do that. I don't want to add any style here, but capitalization you can do here from capitalization settings. Then you have the spacing, character spacing. If you want to add spacing between the characters with as a ali, those are the characters. If you want to space anything there, then you can use that. Item spacing for between two items, let's say I want 16 pixel. I want 16 here between the items. As you can see here, the gap is already there. Let's use 24 between those sell 10% off items, right? And the heading tag, let's use the paragraph for now. And the separator, if you want to add any separator here, so what I'll do here is like cart. I'll use a cart icon here, and let's use this one. See, that's the separator that you can add between those text. That's the cart. And shape size you can increase or decrease from here. Movement of your marquee. Right now it's coming from right side and going to the left one, and then if you want it to come from the left and going to the right, you can have that also. So if you want someone to stop marquee on hover, you can use this toggle here. So now let's look at our marquee, and here we have, let's use 32 pixels here, and let's change the color to something else. That's this color. And now preview our marquee. Just look at it, will come from the left to right. Look at it, it's very easy to create marquee animation in Wix Studio now. It's so easy, you don't have to go and use any third-party CSS scripts here, right? It's very easy, and you can have it for your upcoming sales, for Christmas, Black Friday, in the future, or any cyber sale. You can have these kind of marquees to show it to your users when they are coming, so that it attracts them, because it's continuously moving and it will grab their attention, right? Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. If you want any help with your Wix Studio or Webflow websites, do reach out to me or leave a comment in the comment section. Also, don't forget to check out my website for free resources that you can use in your websites or client projects. Until next time, happy creating.